What's up, guys? It's your boy Mark back with another video. In this video, I will be going over the moving average crossover and does it actually work. If you're new to this channel, make sure you go ahead and subscribe. Also, click that notification bell so you can be the first to know once I upload videos on how you can make some daily cash. Guys, so here we are with Ripple, XRP, USD. All right, I actually caught a signal right here. Sell XRP. All right. The team should be eating. All right. I'm in profit right now. Let me check the chart. Let me check the trade. So what we're about to do right now is throw the moving averages on. All right. So the first one you need to add is a smooth moving average 4. All right. What we're gonna do is change the color of that. All right, we're gonna change the color of this moving average. All right. And next, what you need is a smooth moving average 7. We're gonna change that color to red. All right, we're gonna change that color to red. All right, and we're gonna throw the 7 on. All right, smooth moving average 7. Next, you want to add is an exponential 200 moving average, and that is going to be gold. All right, and what I'm gonna explain exactly what we look for. All right, and how you can use these for snipers. All right. So let's zoom all the way out. All right, so boom. All right. See, we got this marked up. We got this zone right here. We got this zone. All right, we got this resistance right here. We got this support right here. All right. So what you could have did was, so how can you use these moving averages? All right, and you tell me if they work. We're gonna add them. We're gonna go to other pairs and see the same thing. All right. So if it's hard for you to see the moving averages because your candles are the same color, then all you would have to do is just thicken them. All right, and it's the reason why I keep them. It's the reason why I have them that color. All right, so we're just gonna thicken it just a little bit so you can see. All right, but you can have them whatever color you want. I like green and red. All right, because look, once the red is on top, that's letting me know sales. And once the green is on top, it's letting me know buys. All right. So right here, the crossover, the 4 is the green. All right, the 4 is the green, the 7 is the red smooth, 4 smooth, and then the gold is the exponential 200 moving average. All right. So the smooth moving average gives you more of a sniper. All right, it gives you more of a better entry. Now, once it crossed over the 200, all right, once it crossed over the 200, this is also a safe entry, all right, because you're only looking for sales under this 200. But I like the snipers, all right, because look, you can get in way faster. All right, you can get in up here with less risk, all right, than here, and then having a stop loss above this is high right here. All right, so crossover, boom, get in for the sell. You can hold this sell until here. Cross, get out. All right, and you wait for the next setup. This right here is too much. You want to catch it. This right here is too close. It's too close. You know what I'm saying? Just going up and down. What you can do is let the market play out. Right here, you could have caught a small buy. You could have caught some good pips right here. Boom, off the buy, and then got out. And then right now, it crossed. You could have hopped in the sell and still been holding. All right, look at this, all the way down, all the way down. All right, and could have got out right here. So from here to here, just off the crossover, probably stay in between. The green line stayed in front, never crossed, may touch and bounced off, but it never crossed. All right, never crossed. And then you also can look at the candles. All right, this small little cross right here is nothing. So I would have held the trade. But you could have been, if you're a greedy person, you could have popped the buy right here and got out. Boom, and still held these sales. Or popped the entry here for the sell. All depend on how you looking at the market. Once again, it's so many ways you can do. You could have handled this situation, but as you can see, the momentum is a straight downtrend. So you would have ate good. Even here, you could have held this trade because it's still not coming up. It's just going sideways. So you could have held this trade, and once again, and it's just going sideways. And now we got lower lows. So boom, we're looking for this thing to sell some more. So you sell some more, all right? So if you would have caught it here, you would have caught all of this, boom. And then we're still under the 200 exponential moving average. So that's giving me strong, momentum when it's under the 200. All right, the smooth moving averages are, like I say, for sniper entries and exits. So let's go to NAS 100. Look at this, guys. Crossover. You can hold NAS with a 0.01. You're able to hold NAS 100. Boom. Especially if you got in here. No matter what the account size is, 0.01. If you to pop this entry off this crossover and held it and it bounced off the 200, all right. And if you held this, you will be up big right now with just a 0.01. So imagine using other lots that you use, all right. But once again, look at the clean crossover. Now, indices, moving averages, once they cross, guys, these are major pips, all right? Bounced off of this 200, as you can see, bounced off. Could have bought right here. Boom. You could have put another entry here because you're in profit from here to here. Enter more entries, all right? Crossed right here, bounced off. All right, and you could have took profit anywhere between here and kept entering. All right, you could have did that. But if you wanted to hold the trades, this is also good for holding trades. When it's above the 200, all right, it's good holding trades. When it's below the 200, boom, good to hold trades. But you also have to have your markups and your support and your resistance, all right? So once you've seen this bounce off of here, twice, boom, could have popped the buy right here and just held it. Once again, you got this crossover right here. So once it crossed over, there you go. You was good to go. All right. It was good to go. And now what you want to do is grab you a resistance. All right, grab your resistance. Let's zoom in right quick. All right, price is still, the green just crossed again. So what this could potentially do is buy up to this resistance and then sell, or come up, finish this M formation, and then come all the way back down to this level right here. All right, the market does correct itself, or it can just keep going, you know what I'm saying, up and up and up. But at some point, the market will correct itself. So as of now, it's still above. So as of now, the 4 is still above, all right, the 7, and price is still above the 200 moving average. But once again, at some point, price is gonna want to come back and down to test important areas like the 200 moving average and this area that the banks bought at, all right, because they may come all the way back down, buy more, boom, and break this resistance. It can come here and come all the way back up and break this resistance, all right? So you can use these moving averages once again for sniper entries and exits, and then the 200 exponential for long term. Now let's go look at a regular pair. All right, let's go look at GU. All right, I like GU. So let's go here. Same thing here. Same thing here. Let's zoom in. All right, now let's zoom out right quick. Look, if you would have caught GU right here, you could have just held this trade for. You could have just held this trade. I know a lot of people don't like holding trades. All right, but this is where the money is. All right, it's cool scalping and stuff too. We get back on this in my group ASAP. Regular pairs, because they do give pips, all right? And I most definitely can trade regular pairs, all right? I just got caught up in NAS. 100 and the money that it gives. But there's so many other ways you can make money in the Forex market, all right? So this right here, this crossover right here, this is a sniper. Even if you don't catch that whole move, that whole drop from down there, look at this crossover. Boom, crossover. Up, all right? Crossover, sold, broke the 200, kept selling. And once again, what you have to do is always mark up where price stopped, all right? Price stopped right here. This is the lowest it went. So you grab you another one and also keep this key zone in mind, all right? Keep this key zone in mind, boom. Came back down. As you can see, it came back up, came back above this zone. So now this zone is treated back as a support, all right? It was a resistance once it broke, but now it's a support, you feel me? And now where we're going? Now where you trying to go? All right, this is where price stopped recently, all right? This is the highest price went recently. So once it bounced off this, you got the crossover, sniper entry, coming up to test this 200, all right? Now if it breaks this 200, come up to this zone right here, come up to this resistance right here, and you can potentially get a breakout. All right, now how did you get in this trade? Right here, by the sniper entry. Pips, all right? Pips are all the way, okay? Once we break the 200, we looking to hold long term, all right? Look, once it broke the 200, long-term trades, all right? Now, let's go look at other pairs a lot of people like to trade. US 30, look at this. We got zones already on US 30. All right, bounced off, could have bought here. Look at this, this 200, boom, came down, tested, bounced off. Feel me, look at this, bounced off twice. Once it's above this 200, you can hold the price, and especially if the smooth moving averages is still correlating. You get me? You know what I'm saying? So what you can do is buy. Once they cross, you can take profit. Wait for another setup. All right, boom. You could have bought right here. It bounced off the 200. Look at this. You could have held this trade all the way up to here. Once it crossed right here, boom, got out. You could have got in the sale if you wanted to, you know what I'm saying? But if you didn't want to do all that, if you want to catch another buy entry, boom, bounced off the 200, buy, all right? Crossed over, entry, sniper entry, sell, coming down to test the 200 moving average, broke, boom, long-term trade, all right? And you just hold it until, like I say, you see where price stopped at, which is here. Now, what you can do is you could have bought here. It's a good price this is a good place to buy because it's low. All right. Or you could have waited for the crossover. Let's zoom in. Or you could have waited for the crossover, but you know what I'm saying? You should have knew this was a reverse. This is a reversal counter right here. You should have knew the pop for buy right here. All right, boom. Or you could have waited for the crossover. The crossover was right here. Caught this buy. Look at the green. Still in front, still in front, still in front. All the way up to here, boom, get out the trade. Came back down, bounced off the 200 again. You know the buy, load up, and look at the green, back in front. And what did it do? Come and break distance, all right? That's all price do. It go test new levels, bounce off, come back, test old levels, break them, or reject off of them, guys. That's how trading goes. So in my opinion, these moving averages work. I have other moving averages I use too for certain things, but right now I'm rocking with these right here. As you see, it's simple. It's three of them. It's number 1, 2, 3. Boom, sniper entries. Boom, bouncing off. So you can use these exactly how I just showed you with any pair. All right, I went over NAS 100. I went over this Bitcoin. Look at Bitcoin. Bitcoin is under the 200 still. All right. USD CAD. Look at that. Boom. Above. So right now it crossed. This is a good sell entry. She's probably because she's gonna come back down and test this 200, and then she breaks a long-term sales all the way back down to this level where she once was. Guys, give this video a thumbs up if you think these moving averages actually work. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Other than that, I'm out.